Now let's see how to use this injection. First, make sure that pen contains Ozempic medicine and is clear and colorless. Attach a new needle. Tear off the paper tab. Push and turn the needle on until it is tight. Pull off both needle caps. Turn the dose selector until the dose counter shows the flow check symbol. Press and hold in the dose button until the dose counter shows 0. Make sure a drop appears at the needle tip. Select your dose as prescribed by doctor. Clean the skin and inject your dose then. Insert the needle into your skin. Press and hold down the dose button. After the dose counter reaches 0, slowly count to 6. Remove the needle from your skin. After your injection, carefully remove the needle and place it in a sharps container. Put the pen cap back on the pen.